In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 ways to make good videos without showing your face or being on camera. And I'm going to walk you through all of them step by step. You are going to look over my shoulders because I'm actually going to do them right in your front so that you can actually see how to do them yourself. And we're going to get started right about now. Welcome to Audacity to Lead TV. I am Dyer Samuel, and this is where we give you the courage and insights you need to lead with more influence. On this channel, we'll provide you with business and marketing insights, especially if you're a service-based business. Now, if that describes you, go ahead and subscribe below and you'll be on your way. Now, it's a normal thing for some people, perhaps maybe you don't like to show your face on camera like I'm doing right now, or you probably don't like your face, or you sometimes feel very introverted and shy, or maybe someone somewhere will accuse you for showing your face on camera. It all depends on your situation. But how can you make good videos without necessarily showing your face? I'm going to walk you through 5 of such ways that are currently working right now in 2020. The first way to make videos without showing your face or being on camera is to create what I call motion videos. And when I say motion videos, what I'm referring to is a combination of text plus stock videos plus music or your voice. Now let me show you an example of how to do that. In order to create text plus stock videos plus music, you can actually use Lumen 5. So okay, now that I am logged in, if this is the first time you are creating your own video, you might not see all of these videos here. But then you come over here, you click create video after you have signed up and you have logged in. And then you want to try out, use your own blog. And that means that if you have actually created content somewhere on the internet, particularly your website, or maybe you have created posts on Facebook, you can actually import that here and you can use that for your video. But in this case, I'm going to be using a script, something that I've written, which is actually this right here. That's what I'm going to be using for this particular video. So I'm going to go ahead and copy everything and I'm going to paste here, and now it has pasted. You can see it right here, and I'm going to click go. It now says I should choose a video format. Now this all depends on the type of video you want to make. So you can make videos for Facebook, you can make videos for Instagram, you can make videos for Twitter, you can make videos for Snapchat. But in this case, I'm going to be making this video for YouTube channel. Now in total, it says 120 seconds. Don't be disturbed about that yet until we get there. So after you choose that, it's going to tell you to choose a brand or theme. That is, you can choose a type of video you want to create. You can choose combination of colors, combination of fonts and all that. Now this appears to be interesting to me, so I'm going to choose this here. And one after the other, you can basically adjust how your video is going to look like. So by that, I mean, you can come here and say, okay, you want to edit this text. So you can basically edit this text. Okay, you can see, okay, it has even separated it for me automatically. Now, I believe you are the first avatar of your business. You can see the next slide says, and not every template promoted by marketers and gurus will fit you. So here, let me click preview here. So you can see that. And then you come to the next one. Now, in case you are wondering what's this text that I have here, now this is a core belief that we have at Audacity to Lead. We don't believe that everything gurus tell you to do will work for your business. That is because if you miss out the element of you in the business, you will basically just be following every person's dictates without understanding that you have a say in how your business goes. You can come to media here, and you can basically search for whatever it is you like. And so let me say I want to use tech here. Let me say I want to use tech for this part of Instagram ads. Or let's say I believe your life should rather be, okay, drive. So that one is correct. So let me look, how do you feel when you spend time and money to realize this wasn't totally built or designed? So in that case, let me search for money. Let me search for money then. Now, when you see anyone that looks like this with Marketplace, it means that you need to upgrade your plan in order to access that. But when you see others like this, you see that they are free. So in this case, let me use this one. You basically drag it over to And if you want to add music, you can come here and add music. So uplifting, forward thinking. So, and then you can come to style, you can change the style, you can change colors. So having done that, you can click preview here and it's going to generate a preview for you. So you can see your video playing right here. The second way to make videos without showing your face or being on camera is to do a screencast. And what does screencast mean? Screencast basically means you are speaking over your screen, perhaps using a slide. And in order to get to that, you can use PowerPoint or you can use Google Slides, or if you can't use any of those, you can use Canva to create your PowerPoint slide. So basically you are creating a presentation and you are speaking over that presentation, walking people through that presentation. That is basically what screencast mean. Now, in order to do that, you need to have a couple of softwares to be able to do that. One software works online and it is completely free. The other software are basically paid softwares that you can actually use offline. So let me walk you through one of them right about now. This is how Loom basically works. Loom is a Chrome extension that you get to install in your browser, and with that you can basically record anything you want to record. Loom is free, but there's a paid version. But what I'm going to walk you through is the free version anyway. So you come to your browser up here and then you click on this icon and then you choose sign in with Google. Good. Now I'm signed in. It is trying to use my face. You can see it just opened up my camera right about now. So if I tilt this very well, if I move this very well, you can see that it's actually showing my camera right now. But of course, you want to record your screen without your camera, right? So what you are going to do then is to choose screen only. And then with that, it's going to take away your camera. Now you can close this or you can leave it there. Usually I like to leave it there because it serves as a thumbnail that shows people that this video belongs to me. Anyway, that's just that. And you can also do cam only, that is camera only. Now if you want to record, you can choose desktop or you can choose current tab. Now current tab means that it's only going to record what is within your tab at the moment. That is this current tab that I'm on, this Loom tab that I'm on. If I choose full desktop, it's going to capture everything on my screen. Now you can choose the advanced features here, and with the advanced features you can turn on audio or you can turn off audio. So I'm going to choose here, I'm going to choose the audio settings that I'm using, and you can see the sound right about now. You can see that it's actually capturing my sound right about now. And I'm just going to leave that the way it initially was. Now you can use photo for screen only. You can turn on control menu. Control menu here means that you have this option here going on while you are recording your video, or you can turn it off. Now this Loom will work best if you create your slides using Google Slide or maybe Canva. You can basically go ahead and do your recording right inside the browser and you will be good. Now if you click start recording, it's going to actually pop this up, that which window do you want to record. If you choose application window, it's going to select a window to record. As you can see, I have about 3 windows opened here. This is Loom here. Okay, so here is PowerPoint right here. Now I'm going to click on present, and then I'm going to use this to switch back to this. So I'm going to choose, you can see here, I can choose this PowerPoint window, or you can choose open up the entire window completely. But I'm going to choose application window in the sense that I want it to only focus on just the PowerPoint slide. So if you choose your entire screen, it's going to capture everything that shows up on your screen. But if you choose application window, it's only going to capture exactly what you want it to capture. So even when you move to something else, well, I think the way Loom works, it stops that recording when you move to something else. So I'm just going to choose this. I'm going to click that. You can see here it says Loom video recording, screen, webcam, and mic is sharing a video. So you can see stop sharing, hide. So you can basically start your presentation. So profitable business blueprint, strategic business evolution for service-based entrepreneurs who want to stand out in the marketplace, the ultimate business building program for fast tracking your personal and financial success. So at this point, let's say I'm done recording, so I can click stop sharing, and immediately it stops sharing and the video begins to process right online. So the video now becomes, you have a video live, and you can download if you want to. You can actually download from I found a place where you can download. So let me check here. So link sharing, only people with link can see, can appear in Google search if you make it public. And if you add password, you can actually password protect it. You can trim in the sense that you can edit. Once the video finishes, you will see here it says polishing pixels, your download is coming up. So you can basically click here and download and upload to YouTube or wherever it is you want to actually share your video. Now, as you can see, Loom works online. Now, if you want to record offline and you don't want to have any internet connection, or maybe you don't want to operate online while you are recording your video, how can you do that? You can either use Screencast-o-matic, or you use what I basically use to record everything that you are seeing over my screen in this video, which is Filmora Scrn. In case you have subjects, topics you want me to cover on this channel that you would want me to actually look into specifically, please comment down below and let me know. Plus, while you are at that, I also want to let you know that I have a PowerPoint presentation course that you can actually take. You can check down below for the link to that as well. The third way you can make videos without being on camera or showing your face is to create the type of videos that are called audio visuals. And what are audio visuals? Audio visuals are basically videos that you hear someone's voice while you see a different type of video. And what do I mean by that? Here you can actually use a lot of stock videos. And when I say stock videos, as I showed earlier on in the example of Lumen 5, stock videos are videos that you have free rights to use, but you are not necessarily the person in the video. With your voice at the background, a stock video can actually keep the engagement going while you are speaking over it. But of course, if you are going to do that, you will need to first of all record your voice, then you will now download videos that will help you do that. Many of the big channels on YouTube actually don't create videos with their faces. All they do is to get audios by some of the big speakers around the world. They use stock videos to actually create visuals for those audios. So the thing is, you just need to find what will work for you, whether you're going to use your own voice or you're going to get someone else's voice to use. But basically, you are using someone's voice or your voice and you are adding stock videos with it. And that's basically the third way to create videos without showing your face or being on camera. The fourth way to create videos without showing your face or being on camera is to create whiteboard videos. And what do I mean by whiteboard videos? You probably have seen videos where a hand is scribbling something on the screen. That is a video done with a software. Now you can also do this with your own hand. And when I say with your own hand, you are basically maybe using a big board and you are basically writing or you are drawing, and people can actually follow along. Number 5 type is what I call a tutorial or a guide video. I remember a couple of months back, I wanted to make shawarma in my house. I have not done that before. It's something I was going to do for the first time. And because I found out that the shawarma we do around here in Nigeria is different from the shawarma they do around the world, I went on YouTube and typed how to make Nigerian shawarma. And you know the interesting thing, of the 5 videos that I saw that day, only one person actually showed his face. All the other persons were basically just showing me their kitchen, showing me the things to use to do the shawarma without necessarily showing their faces. All I could see was just their hand without seeing their faces. So that goes to tell you that you can actually make videos without necessarily showing your face, and you can even be fully active. You can still be involved without necessarily showing your face. Now that I've given you the courage and the necessary insights you need to lead with more influence, as I mentioned earlier on, if there's anything you would want me to talk about, please comment down below. And of course, this will be a good time for you to actually subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you can always get the content that we release here at Audacity to Lead every time we publish new episodes. The promise is that we're going to create new episodes every week. And with that said, I am Dayo Samuel representing Audacity to Lead. I'm going to see you next time.